Good day, everyone. Good day to you all. Can you hear me? Okay. Any doubts with your previous sessions? Hello, Adeline. Hello, Nuzia. Hello, Axmed. Hello, Niloffer. Hello, Peter. Hello, Kiru. I'm doing good. How are you all doing? Hello, Hussein. Hello, Jennifer. Hello, Hakizm. Hello, Hussein. I'm doing good. How are you? Hello, Edwin. Hello, Francis. That's great. Hello, Ibrahim. Hello, Peter Daniel. Okay, so I'm just sharing my board. Let me know, is it visible? Can you see? Hello, Jackson. Hello, Peter. Are you able to see? Yes, that's great. Thank you. So today you'll be doing with factors and multiples. So first, let's look on factors. Okay, what are factors and how do we find factors? So this will again help you out in the topics as you go on. So this is just a beginning of knowing the numbers related to factors. Okay. Fine. So before we get into factors, I just want to know previous class, any doubts? Previous classes, any doubts? No, okay. I'm sharing you. Good, Admin. I'm sharing you the attendance link, but please do share it in your browser so that you need not wait for me for the next classes onwards. Please do follow it. Click on the link, save it in your browser or save it in your notepad anyways, so that you can use it next time before the class starts. And it is mandatory. And as you know, it's been the program given to you by Jain University, and we're expecting you to have 75% of attendance to receive any certificate. So that's mandatory for you to have 75% attendance. Okay, can anyone tell me quickly what are these factors? Anything what you have learned or heard about factors? Obviously, I'll be giving you some numbers to work with factors. No, Nilofer, not to disturb during the class time. We have hardly 2 hours. You have to learn a lot. I think that I can ask with university if there is something like that to form a WhatsApp group, you would be able to. So you can check out with university or always send a mail to them. To get the particular number factor. Okay. So can you tell me what are the factors of 2? What will be the factors of 2? 2, 1. Yes, that's good. So what are the factors of number 9? What are the factors of number 9? Yes, 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. Clear with that? Okay. Now I would share you the question paper board and I want you to solve the questions. I'm going to show you 10 questions, or I'll just try to show you more than that. Yeah, 12 questions would be fine, I hope. Find the factors of those numbers, which I'm showing you 15 questions. So then we can go on with the next. Okay. So 15 questions you're going to solve now. I'm giving you the max so that you can get practiced well. So I'm sharing another screen, the question paper screen, which you used to do. Once you have done certain questions, let me know. Then I'll share the entire screen. If you have not filled the attendance, please do fill it as soon as possible. The link is on the chat and please do save it. The question paper screen is on. Find the factors. I'll show you for one number. Let's take for the first question. It's an even number and 1 is always a factor of the same number and 2 is a factor and 31 is a factor of 62 and 62 itself is a factor of that number. So total there are 4 factors in this number 62. 4 factors. The way as I've written, find the factors, write it, and how many factors are there, write it next to it. Please do only with your pen, or if you can do your mind calculation, always welcome. That would be very helpful for you to solve faster. So I'm giving you the practice questions. I hope you could have seen. One question I have solved on the remaining 14. That means first question I've solved from question number 2 to 14. I'm expecting you to solve by yourself. Write the answers only direct to me. Don't put it to everyone. I hope is that clear. All the answers together. Don't put the answers one by one. Put all the answers together from question number 2 to 15. Please do put it in direct message to me or private message to me. Do not send it to everyone. Please do write up all the questions together so that it would be easy to check. Question one by one, it might take some time. Hello. Abraham below, please do concentrate on the questions, not to get distracted. Please do solve the questions. Last 3 minutes. Hossein, that was a good job. You have sent all the answers together. That looks really good. That was keen and good. Sure, Nilofer, I'll check it. I'll write the answers. So keep checking your answers. Do anyone want time? Let me know. I'll give you some time, or let me put up the answers. Just check it. If you're okay, it's fine, or I will put up the answers. Nuzia have done, Lofer has done, Hossein has done. Anyone one time, or shall I write the answers? Okay, I'm just giving you 2 more minutes. That's great. Okay, I'm writing the answers. So 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, 44. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors for the second one. Yeah. So you're missing with 22. Check it. Edwin is missing with the second one, 22. And Diksha Shah is missing with 11. And Hossein could not see your second question. Okay. That's fine. Next 74. So 1. And I'll keep dividing the 74 by 2. So I get 37. So 1, 2, 37, 74. Yes. 25. 1, 5, 25. So number of factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of factors 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of factors 3. Number of factors for 57. It's divisible by 3. So hence it's 3. 1 is already there. And 3, that's for 29. So that is 3, 29, and 57. Bhumisha is sending you answers. That's good. Great one. 75. 1, 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. So 3 will also fall in. 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, and 75. 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 5. Okay, I'm sorry. 1 and 7. 1, 9. Okay. So 57, 1. So it's 1. It's 1. Okay. You have even 19. 3 is for 1, 27, 9. 1 is also there. So it's 19 also. $19. Okay, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next 39. 1, 3, 13, 39. 16, 68. 1, 2, 4, 34, 17, 68. 6 numbers. 4 factors. And 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 13. No, okay, 14. Yes. 14. 21. 42. 8 numbers. 48. Just as 24, the same thing, but only thing is it adds up. 1, 2, 3, 4, because 24 into 2, 48. So all the remaining factors would follow up. And along with that, 48. If there are 8, then that becomes 9. Okay. Next, 14. 10. Question number 10. I have 68. If I divide by 3, I get 34. That 34, if I divide by 2. If I divide by 2, I get 34. Again, if I divide by 2, I get 17. Okay, so again I divide by 17 and 1. And also it is divisible by 4. 68 is divisible by 4. When I divide it by 4, it's 1 time 28 is for 17. Yeah. Okay. Others are able to hear me? Others are able to hear me? Okay, fine. So I think if you're not able to listen to me, just check with your volume settings and please do try to re-log in. Okay. So 14. 1, 2. Try to re-log in, Daniel. So that might solve your problem, or check with your audio device, with your audio settings. Before you log in, you might have a testing thing. Or if you check on the mic on the right side, you would have an arrow mark. You can click there and you can give it as test your speaker and microphone. There you can test it. That might resolve your problem. 1 to 714. It's Wi-Fi. WIFI. Okay. 27. 1, 3, 9, 27. 4, 4. 77. 48, 10. No, there is no 10 factor. It's 12. 12. That means 4 times 12 times 4. 10 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which one am I missing? 48, 16. Yeah, okay. 16 also. Thank you. 16. Okay, so total there are 10 factors. So 1, 7, 11, 77. So 4 factors. Okay. Clear with that? Any doubts still here? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Okay. I'm just checking your timing number first. Okay. Okay, you have time for it. Okay. No doubts. Fine. Shall we go on to the next? I'm sorry, I'll just mute myself. Okay. Shall we go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Okay. Now it's about multiples. So what is multiples are? Which gives you the next number. For example, what are the multiples of 2? I have lots of multiples of 2. I can say 4, 6, 8, 10, and it goes on. Everything are multiples of 2. So let's say times or tables, however we do call in our countries. So either it has times tables or tables, whatever you call. Okay. What are the multiples of 3? When I say what are the multiples of 3, that means the next number after 3 which comes in the 3 times tables. Yes, 3, 6, 9, 12, and goes on. Clear with that? Are you clear with multiples? Yeah. Now I'll give you a question paper on it to work, and once you've done, then I'll take you to the next topic. Okay, just a minute. I'm just sharing the question paper. I hope you're able to see the screen. Yeah, 15 now. I hope you're able to see the screen. So 6, what are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 goes on. Like this, very simple numbers. Write up the multiples up to 6 numbers. That's all. Do it as fast as you can. We'll go on with the next. Very easy ones. I think most of you got the answers, right? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 goes on. 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 24, 28, 32 goes on. 11, 22, 24, 33, 44, 55, 66 go on. So 15 tables. So starts from 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and goes on. 18, very easy, 18, 36 and times. Yes, I'm giving you now the next paper. Can I clear the frame? Can I clear the frame? Or do you want time? Do you want time or can I clear the frame? Okay, I'm clearing the frame and giving you the next set of questions. I hope you're able to see the questions. Read the questions, give a try, then we'll take a look on it. How to find the multiple. Yeah, I'm just trying to solve one and I want you to do the rest. I'm a multiple of 7 and I'm between 50 and 49. Who could I be? So what are the numbers in the tables of 7 greater than 50? So it is between 50 and 70. So I have one number that is 63 and it's in between, it is said not 58 or 70, so I cannot take 70. 63 can be, and 7 into 8, 56. 56 can also be the multiples of 7 in between 50 and 70. Got it? So you need to know the tables well, so please do learn it. Once revise the tables, then this topic becomes much more easier. Yeah, 56 and 63. Yes, Janiver. I got it. Okay, correction. 56. Okay. So it's in between 50 and 70. So that is 56 and 63. Last 2 minutes. 21 cannot be the multiple of 7 and 3. Recheck. 21 not at all possible. My God, I'll check it. No, together. So together. So how do you write it as? Write a multiple of 7 and 3. So which comes together? 7 times 3 is 21. Okay. The same time 42. So 21 is a factor of 7. Sorry, 7 is a factor of 21 and 3. 42 is also a factor of 21 and 42, 7 and 3. 42 is also a factor of 7 and 3. And they both are less than 50. They both are less than 50. Are you clear with that? So they're talking about both, not one. I am multiple of 4 and I am between 40 and 50. Who am I? So that is 44, 48. The multiples of 4. Yes. Question number 7. And the multiple. Yeah, 21 is a factor of 7 and 3. And the multiple of 7 and 3. 21 is a multiple of 7 and 3. 7 and 3 are the factors of 21. So 21, 42, both are correct. Less than 50. I am a multiple of 6 and I am also a multiple of 4. It should be multiple of both 6 and 4. And I am less than 30. So number 12 is a multiple of 6 and 4. In 6 times table 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. In fourth table 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Okay, so 12 and 24. Are you liking to solve this? Okay, I am a multiple of 7 and I'm between 50 and 100. My tens digit is odd. So it can be even 77. So multiple of 7. Or yes, 91. Yes, possible. Other than that, 63. Oh, that's an even number now. 77, 91. Any other number? Yeah, 70 is also possible. Tens place is even number. Sorry, odd number. Any other number? Dhyanya is correct. Now, 63 not possible. 56, yes, possible. But 63 not possible because 6 is even number. Tens place should be odd number. Tens place should be odd number. 97 is a prime number. It was not divisible by 7. 97 is not a multiple of 7. 97 is not the multiple of 7. 98. Yes, possible. Good, Lutia. 98 possible. Any other number? 63 not possible. My tens digit is odd. 63. This is an even number. Tens digit should be odd number. So this number is not possible. '98 is an odd number. Tens place is odd number. 9 is in tens place. 49 not possible. It is in between 50 and 100. 49 not possible. 84 not possible. Tens place should be odd number. 84, 8 is even number. It's not possible. Not 10th number, 10th place. 10th number and 10th place both are different. They are not same. So 98 would work. 98 is not even. 10th place, not 10th place. 10th place is even. 10th place should be odd. My 10th place. So I think place value, I'll give you one question paper with place value. So that makes more clear. See, 7 odd number, tens place, ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands goes on. And only taking up ones place and tens place. So that is between 50 to 100. So tens place should be an odd number. And this, it is not told anything. So no, it can be anything. Are you clear with that? So it is 91, yeah, 77 or 70 or 56 or 98. The tens place is odd. So that is possible. But 63, 84 not possible because the tens place is even number. You're clear with that? A number multiple of 9 and 6 between 50, it's between 50 and 110. Only the tens place is in odd. Yeah, 54, yes, possible. 72 possible. Yeah, 90 possible. 108 possible. Good. Any other number? These numbers are divisible by both 9 and 6. They are the multiples of both 9 and 6. The center B, it should be the multiple of 9 between 50 and 110, and also multiple of 6. So there should be multiple of even 6. Done? Okay. I am a multiple of 30. I am a multiple of 30. That means 30, 60, 90 goes on. If you round me to the nearest hundreds, you get 400. Who could I be? So 390? Yes. 420? Rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Yeah, 360. Just possible. So if I round up these values, I'll get to the nearest hundreds. 350 not possible. 390, yes, the closest. 420, the next. 360, yes, considered. 450 now. I'll tell you the rules of round off. In round off, if it is ending with 50s, that itself is a round off. You cannot round off more. Okay, so I'm just giving you for the round off example. Till here do it, and then I'll just explain you about the round off. Any doubts for this 6 questions? Check it and let me know. Sorry, 7 questions. Any doubts? Check it and let me know. I'll explain you about the round off. Only 390, 420, and 360 possible. 450 or any other number not possible. Yeah, sure. I'll explain you. Okay, so then I think we need to learn a bit of round off values so that will make you more clear about the topic. Okay, now let us take a number. For example, let's say 100. What is to the nearest of hundreds? Okay, so if I have 100, I can have, yeah, sure, round off value. Let's say above up to 149, and below that, if they say round off to the nearest hundreds, from 149 to 51. Okay, any numbers, I can take this 100 as the nearest number. This is what is called round off. Are you clear with that? So the number 50 is itself a round off. You cannot make a round off of it. The number 150 is itself is a round off. I don't have a round off of it. The number 151, if I want to the nearest round of hundreds, I cannot take 100, I will take it to 200. If the number is 49, ask what is the nearest to the hundreds, I have to go down. That means either it is in zeros. I cannot go beyond this number 50, because it's already less than 50, then the answer is 0. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay, we'll come by nearest tens, please. Okay, yeah, we'll come from the nearest tens place, then we'll go on with that. So if you did not understand, I'm explaining it again. So the nearest tens place. Okay, let's say 0, 0, nearest tens place. So I have 17, I have 132, I have 149,151. Now the first number 17. What is the nearest tens place? Okay, I'll explain you the eighth question again. The nearest tens place for 17 is 20. Okay, if my question is about 16 or 17 or 18 or 19, when I say nearest round off value to the tens, that means the answer is 20. Are you clear with that? Yes. Okay. If I get the answer as, if the question was about 21, 22, 23, and 24, what's the nearest place of tens to round off this? Then also my answer is 20. 16, 17, 18, 19, or 21, 22, 23, 24, all of these, the nearest round of tens place is 20. Approximated, yes, we are approximating it. These are all approximate values, not the exact values. Got it? Yes. So 130, nearest tens place. That means 132, nearest tens place is 130. 149, nearest tens place. 25 you cannot. 25 will remain the same. I cannot take the nearest. In case I want to take the nearest tens of 25, I have to take the higher number, that is 30. I cannot take lesser. Are you clear with that? But this itself is near to the round off value. You need not to do anything, but still you want to be the number ending with 0. If there is some condition, then it should be 25. You have to put the round off value as 30. I cannot put the round off value as 20. That's the condition. That's the rules. Are you clear with the rule? If it is 25, I need the nearest tens place. 25 itself is an approximate value. It's still you need to be ending with zeros. Then 25's number ending with tens place of now rounding to the nearest zeros with the tens place. Then for the 25, I have to take it as 30. I cannot take any other number. Yeah, it's about approximation. 25 itself is in between number. If I still want to find the round off value, then I have to go with the higher number. That's 25 to 30. I cannot take lesser than that. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with this round off value? 1151. What is the nearest hundreds value? So tens place 1150. Okay. Now the same question, find it for the nearest hundreds place. What is the nearest hundredth place of 117? Do you have the nearest hundredth place for 17? Do you have nearest hundredth place for 17? What is it? Hundredths place. That is only one sentence place. You don't have hundredths place. So the nearest possible for me to take the number is as 0. I cannot take it for 100. It is less than 50. So I cannot take it as 100. I have to take it as only 0. If I talk about the hundredths place, rounding up the hundredths place. No number in the hundredths place, then that's fine. You can just directly write which is closer to it. But if it is less than 50, then I have to consider it as 0. Okay. Did you get that? $132. The nearest round of number for 132. Yes. So if I take for nearest hundreds value of 132, hundreds value ones, tens, hundreds. What will be the nearest hundreds value to round of 132? That will be 100. Yes, it's correct. That will be 100 because it should be less than 1.150 and equal to 100. So the only number in the hundreds place to round off, it is going to be 100. Did you understand the concept? Did you understand the concept? Yes or no? Okay, that's fine. We'll do one. I'm just taking you into the board. I hope you're able to see. I'm allowing you to mute yourself. So whoever have doubt, only yourself on the mic. Okay, whoever have doubt, the rest, please don't on your mic. Whoever have doubt, alone on your mics now. If you have doubts, alone have your mics now. If there is any audio disturbance, you will be muted or everybody will be muted. Yes, Francis. Can you tell me ones, tens,
Yes, sir.
hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This is the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now, when I say rounding up to the hundreds place, let's say I have 132. If I say round it up to the nearest hundreds, the rest of the numbers should become 0. That is what is called rounding up to the nearest hundreds. Are you getting it?
Okay, sir.
149 and below up to 101. Okay, the nearest round of hundreds value will be 100. And number greater than 51, 50, greater than 50, or sometimes 50 itself, up to 99. Up to 99. This is also considered the round of value of hundreds
It's 100.
is 100. Are you getting
I
it?
get it, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, anybody have doubt? Guru Zamfasi, do you have doubt? Yeah, one is mean unit place. Ones means units, please.
Question.
Yeah, it's units, please. No worries. So ones mean units, please. It differs. Every country would have some name for that, but it's fine for you to understand. Yes, it's a units, please. So that's what we call it as ones, please. Ones place, the unit place, both are same. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Question. Question.
clear with that?
I'll try to pick it, no doubt, sir.
Okay. That's fine. Okay, now what I'll do, since I think place values, you should be clear. I'm giving you some round of place values. Round of I'm giving you some questions on that. You can solve it. Then we can go on with the next. And even round off of decimals. Okay, I'm writing some questions to round off of decimals. Do that, then we can do both together. Round off of decimals. Can you write it up? So 7.1. So 100 and 211.0235. Okay, next 8.5732. Now round off to the nearest 10th place. I hope you know what is called 10th place. 10th place is different from 10th place. Okay, 10th place is after the decimal. The first number is called 10th place, and ones place or tens place is there on the left side before the decimal value. Are you clear with the word tens place and 10th place? After the decimal, the first number is called 10th place. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Okay, I'm showing you the screen to learn it. I'm giving you a minute of time just to understand what is this ones place, tens place, and everything. Then we'll come back to that eighth question. I'm just sharing quickly that eighth question. Let's finish it off, get clear. Then we'll go on with that units place for today. Okay, so I hope you're able to see the question with the eighth question and the multiple of 7 and between 50 and 100. Some had a doubt of it. So now I hope you understand what is called my tens place. So my tens place is odd. So this is unit place, this is tens place. This is unit place and this is tens place. Unit place and tens place. Unit place, tens place. So the tens place should be the odd number. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yeah, Rwanda and the others, do you have doubt? Let me know soon so that we can go on with the next one. No doubts, we can proceed or we can read it again. Janveer, any doubts? Is that clear now with the eighth question? Whoever had doubt with the eighth question, are you clear? Yeah, place value I'll give you. You need to learn. I'm giving you about the place value. But before that, is these questions clear? Okay, so this is the number value chart. What I'm showing you, this ones place is nothing called as your unit place. Both are same. So this is your units place, then tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, and after the decimal, the first number is called as tenth, or the place is called as tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, okay, THS at the end. So that is just unit tens, hundreds, thousands. But here it starts with the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? That's okay. Try to manage. Okay, are you clear till here? I'm giving you a time of 2 minutes. If you want to take a note of it, yes, you can make it. Then you can proceed on with the next. So from the decimal point, it's called the fractional part, and over here the whole number part. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, or 1 lakh. How do you call in your country? So this would be with lakh, 1 lakh, or 100,000. Okay, on the decimal values, it's called fractional part. So tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So that is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1,000, 1 by 10,000, and 1 by 100,000. I'm giving you last 1 minute time to make a note of it. Okay. I'm giving you something to work on with that. Okay. Round values. With the given numbers, try to make a round off, and then we'll go on with the next. Is that okay? So round off is important. The reason is you have a chapter called approximation, or you might have the word called as approximation, find the values of approximation. So I'm giving you only up to 1 lakh or 100,000 to find it. Once you've done, I'll take you to the next. So I'm going to change the slide. Round off to the nearest thousands, round off to the nearest 10,000s and 1 lakh. Yes, I've shared the next screen. Is it visible? Taran, is the next screen visible? With the questions to round off. So they're asking you to round off with the nearest thousands place. These all are thousands place. So here there is no thousands. So thousands place, thousands place. So the first one is 17,000, and this one is 2,700. So the nearest is 43,000, and this ending with 5, and this is 5,300. So it is 125,000. 5,000. Okay. And this one is 7,328. So the nearest one is 8,000. So this is 600 more than 500. So the nearest thousandth value is 1,001. This 8,527 more than 500. So I'm going to take it as 81,000. Check with the first 6 questions. Any doubts, let me know. See the 1000th place, it should be the answers nearer to the 1000th place. So now 16824. What is the number in the 1000th place? If I take 16,824, what's the number nearer to the 1000th place? I'll tell you. In this question, 16,824, which number is there in the 1000th place? I want the answer from Loveliness. Yes, Loveliness. Lanuj, can you please answer me? What is the number in the 1000th place? In the number of 16,824. Loveness, can you please tell me? Loveness. 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 Can you please drop a text? In 16,824, what is in the place of 1000? Oh yeah, this is 7,000. I'm sorry. 7,000. Okay. So here, this is 16,800. That means 6,824. What is the nearest number to 6,800 in thousands place? That's gonna be 7,000. Yaya Kamara, I'm checking your answers. Yes, Yaya Kamara, yes, you're right. I'm just checking your answers. Yes, everything is right. Good, Malik. Okay, now 7,300. So if it crosses 7,500, then I have to take 8,000. Less than 7,499, I have to take it as 7,000. Are you clear with that? Yeah, number 2 is 7,000. 7,328, the nearest one is 7,000. So 42,760 for 2,700, the nearest 1,000 is 3,000. Number more than 2,500, the closest 1,000th value is 3,000. You clear with that? That's okay, Trimadi. Okay, next 673. Number more than 500. Number more than 500. The nearest round of value will be 1,000. Nearest round of value of 1,000 will be 1,000. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Okay. Next one, 125,328, or the other countries, how do you call it? 1,25,328, whatever. So we are considering only with 5,328. 5,300, the nearest thousands value will be 5,000. So 80,527, the nearest number in the thousands for 500 plus. So it's 527 more than 500. So it will be 81,000. Are you clear with that? Okay. Shall we go on with the next with 10,000s? Anybody solving with the round off of these 10,000s? Do you want time? Let me know. Do you want time? Let me know. Okay, I'm just giving you 3 minutes of time to solve with round off of thousands. Okay, good. So 17,000, the nearest value to round off would be 17,000, it's 200. So the nearest one is 17,000. Yes, that's fine. Next, 6,700. So as we go on, so the nearest one, okay, you're taking on the other side. Okay, so nearest 10,000. Why I'm not gonna with 17,000 S, because it is round up with the nearest 10,000. So hence the nearest number for 17 in 10,000, that will be 20,000. So that's why we are not going with 17,000. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? So why it is not 17? Because I want the nearest, I want the nearest tens place, not with the thousands place, tens place. So that I'm taking it as 20,000. Next, 35,000, the nearest one would be 36,000 because it is more than 700. So it is 36,000. Got it? Yeah. Next is 6,700 to the nearest of 10,000. So the number which is closer is 10,000 itself. Oh, sorry. Yeah, again, not with 36, not with 36, since it is round off of nearest 10,000 place. So the answer will be 40,000. So this would not be possible. And over here, this would not be possible. Clear with that? And here, 6,700 not possible because I'm rounding off to the nearest 10,000. So here also I have to change the place of this. So it's 84,000. The nearest one is 80,000. I cannot take it as 85,000. The reason is I have to round off the nearest 10,000. So the answer is 80,000. 84. The nearest one is 80. Okay, 80,000. Got it? Round off to the 7. No, because that is thousands place. I want 10,000 place. Rounding off to 10,000 place, not the thousands place. Yeah. So next one is, it is 15,000 and the nearest 10,000 place, since it is more than 5,000 for 700, sorry, 5,074. So it's more. So the nearest one is 20,000. 20,000. Clear with that? Yes, 7 is in the thousands place, not in the 10,000 place. That is why we are taking this as 10,000 as the answer. And here 10,000 place we have 4. So it is 43,700. So the nearest one is 1,40,000 or 140,000. 140,000 or 1,40,000. Nearest 10,000 should be rounded. I hope it is clear. And next 627, the nearest one is 600. So this is in 1 lakhs or 600,000 place. So 178, nearest one is 200. Because I have to round off the 100,000 place. So for this, the nearest one or the next one is 600. Okay, next 47. I don't have anything nearest with this. I have to go down only. I cannot go up. If it is more than 50,000, then I could have gone with 100,000. Now it is not possible with that. Are you getting it? Are you getting with the 16th one? So yes, it's gonna be 0 because it's not more than 50,000. $839,786. So 800's nearest 100,000's place will be 800. Next, this is 6,661. The nearest one will be 700. Because it is not more than, I have to round off to the nearest of 1 lakh or 100,000. 47 is less than 50,000. It should be more than 50,000. Only then I can write the nearest one as 100,000. When it is less, it becomes 0. 0, 0, 0, comma 0, 0, 0. That's it. Because I cannot round off 47,000 to nearest 1 lakh because it's less than 50,000. No, it is not gonna be. If I say round off 990, comma 000, I cannot go down the value, right? Which one I have to round it off? I have to round off this place, 10,000's place, or I have to round off this place, whatever. My answer becomes 1,000,000. Are you getting it? I cannot write it as 100,000. That's very small. The round off of this has never been 100,000. That's not possible. Okay, so if I add a 10,000, that carries 1 over here, or if I'm rounding off this value, anything, that becomes 1,000,000. See, if it is 990,000, I want to round it off. Okay, 990,000. If I want to round it off, I'm going to take it as 1,000,000. Or if I'm rounding off the 10,000's place, also I have to round off the next 1,000 because it's in 90s. So I cannot round off this value. I can round off only the next value. What is the nearest round off value of 90? It's going to be 100. The same way, for this 90, I have to change this number. So this is also already in nines, so that becomes in millions. So 999 or 990, whatever, I cannot change this. I have to change this. I cannot change this. I have to change this. Clear with that? So that becomes, here it becomes 000 and becomes 1,000,000. Clear with that? That doubt was very good, Nilofer. That was a good initiative. Yes, Jackson, your explanation was right. Amrashi, are you there? Amrashi? Yes. A kind request to you, very kind request to you. I'm giving you the attendance form. Please do save it in your browser or somewhere so that you don't want to wait next time for anyone. This is the same attendance link for every day before the class or during the class to fill it. So please do fill it, and no worries, like, so that you would not be waiting for the others to do it. Are you getting it? Okay, that's great. Thanks for understanding. So that it makes your work easy. So you need not to wait for me or for your friends. So that means form is the same for everyone, is the same. The attendance form link is same. Please do save it in your browser. Okay, shall we go on with the next? Are you clear with these questions? Abdul Lafat, can you hear me? Abdul Lafat Kamlaudin Asaju. You have hardly 12 minutes of class. No more break. I'll just give you maybe 60 seconds. If you have not filled your attendance, do it. I'm giving you with the next one. No, it would not be found. You have to save it. Please do save it. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time to understand what is the question. Tell me whether you have to do the factor or multiple of the question. Once you're clear with that, then we will solve it. No hurry. Okay, the first question says, at the gym, Hilary swims every 6 days. So let's say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For every 6 days, that means she swims. Okay, 6 days she swims. And next, again, after 6 days, it goes on. Okay, can you hear me? So he runs every 4 days. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Every 4 days once he runs and cycles every 16 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Done? Okay. So now what we are supposed to find? So this happens again after 16 days, he would be cycling. For every 6 days, so 6 on the 12th day, he will again, he would go for a swim. And on the day 8, on the day 12, on the day 16, he might go for a run. But for sure, he doesn't go for a swim. The day swim will happen again at 8. Can you hear me? So all the three has to happen together. In how many days will she do all the three activities again on the same day? So what I have to find the multiples of them. Where do they meet? Did you get that? Okay, so what is the multiple of 16? So which is divisible by, no, 20. It's 48. So how do we say 48? 48 is divisible by 16. It's a multiple. And 48 is a multiple of 6. 48 is a multiple of 4. So on 48th day, she will be doing all the three together. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Or we would find the common multiple of all the three by the method. Yes, we call it as least common multiple. Okay, so that is 6, 4, 16. So divided by 2, all common 2, 3 together. So I get 3, I get 2, I get 8. Get 3, 1, 2 remains the same, 8 remains the same. Next, again, I would divide it by 2. I hope you remember these methods. 1 and 4. 1, 1, 2. 2, it's 1, 1, and 1. So 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 2, 12, 12 times 2, 24, 24 times 2, 48. I have to multiply all these numbers. 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that gives me 48. LCM multiple. Are you clear with that? So on 48th day, he would swim, he would run, he would do cycling, everything. Others, can you hear me? Others, can you hear me? Micah, can you try to relog in? Micah, can you try to relog in? Yeah. Okay. Next, Oscar. Oscar needs to ship 14 rock CDs and 12 classical CDs and 8 pop CDs. We can pack only one CD, type of CD in each box, and we must not have packed the same number of CDs in each box. What is the greatest number of CDs Oscar can pack in each box? That means I should not have any repetition. So 14, 12, 8. 14, 12, and 8. 14, 12, 8. Okay, what is the common number so that I can pack them? Yes, so 2. So I can have 7 packs of rock CDs, 6 packs of classical CDs, and 4 packs of pop CDs. Did you get that? Okay, so I'm finding the common factor of them. So the common factor of them is 2. So here I'm finding the factor because I want to pack each in these boxes. Did you get it? So I can have, can you see the screen? Okay, so I can have a pack of 2. So where I can break them as 2 so that I can have 7 rock CDs. So I can split them into each, and 6 classical CDs and 8 pop CDs. So we're going to split it into 2 packs each so that I can split them equally. Clear with that? Not 168. 7, 6, and 4 CDs here. 7, 6, and 4 CDs here. Total with 2 packs. Same number of CDs in both cases. So total 2 packs. Clear with that? 2 packs will have same number of CDs. Number of CDs 7, 6, and 4. Number of CDs 7, 6, and 4. Same number of CDs on both. So total 2 packs. Are you clear with that? Okay, that's great. Any other questions? And I would advise you, please do have your attendance sheet. Don't keep bragging for that. Okay. You get it? And one last time I'm sharing the attendance form. Please do fill it. If you have not filled, please do save it in your browsers. So next class, you should have it ready. Okay. Any other questions? Sure. I'm just sharing my screen. So you can take us the screenshot of the questions and you can try solving it. Is that okay? Okay, I'm giving you 2 questions. You can just take a screenshot of it and you can use it for the next class. That's fine. Thank you, Smith. That's my duty. Okay, 2 questions. You can just take a screenshot. You can use it. Thank you, Danjuma. Factors and multiples. So today you have done with factors, multiples, and also with round of value. Thank you, beloved. So today you have done with factors, multiples, and round off. So my next lesson would be on next Thursday. Factors, multiples, and round off. Okay, thank you all. Thank you, Kiru. Have a great night. Okay, have a great day and have a great night and have a great weekend. And let's catch up with the next week. Next Thursday is my class. Monday, you might have English class. So please do attend without fail and ensure you practice every day. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Shamia. You have to fill up the attendance list. The university might have it. Any doubts, you can always mail them. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.